boy. Come here. Start digging. Start digging. Come on, 2 Buck, dig for me. Dig the hole. Start digging in there. Come on. Dig the hole for us.
You just gonna stretch across?
Start digging, dude. You need to empty the hole out. Come on. Dig a hole. So you gotta dig. You gotta dig. See? Like I'm doing. See? Dig. There you go. Dig. Dig it out. Come on. Dig, 2Buck. There you go. You can go pick up the shovel and help me. Can't get it? Too big. You want to use mine? Here. You use my shovel? You want Michael's shovel? Yeah? Let me get the dirt off of it. No? You done? Okay.